See, this is the concrete. This is we taken as site only. You see this how the concrete looks like. See this. This is the concrete RMC has supplied as a self-compacting concrete. So he has taken this. See the concrete how it looks like. Now this slurry will go through the leaking through the foams and this, and will have a lot of liquids. So better concrete is this. Now this flow can be 600, 700 also, but without bleeding and without segregation. We will have to coordinate with the RMC, coordinate with the admixture manufacturers and get the concrete as per our requirement, get the admixture as per our requirement. That is possible today. So laboratory trials are, then next step is the mock-up. Before that you go for the laboratory trial, go for the mock-up, then you go for the monitoring minimum for 7 days, extract the core and confirm the strength, durability testing, maintain detailed temperature record and particular mix design. So mock-up will help you in two things. One is the workability, temperature and then the compressive strength. If a temperature is within your requirement, definitely we can go ahead with this. But today we project don't have any time to do mock-up even. So always say no, I want concrete, you cast the concrete. They are looking at only a RMC chain. If the RMC have data, they can do the designs and give them, or they can help them to the projects. So this is generally mock-up size. To see this, this mock-up size should be at least minimum 2 meter by 2 meter and a depth of actual raft. Don't go by 1 meter by 1 meter. At least minimum 2 meter by 2 meter to get actual the heat generated and core temperature properly. This is how the sensors locations, whatever given safety. Now you must be knowing these wireless maturity sensors are available today in the market, and slowly people are replacing cube strength with these sensors. You can use this, but it is very necessary or mandatory to calibrate these probes with your mix design in the laboratory and check properly whether they are calibrated properly, because that factor has to work out. This, whatever the principle they were, principle is not new. Principle is very old. There is a ASTM C1074 is available for this. So we can calculate, because whatever concrete strength you get is nothing but a function of time and temperature. That is called maturity. So it is same thing as be given in this. When you are measuring the temperature and once you know the time, you can calculate what will be the predicted strength of the concrete. So same thing is there. So to derive that factors, calibration is important. See, this is how you get on your mobile. Mobile itself will get the strength, what is the strength and temperature, and you get such graphs on your mobile also. So and this is the battery life is up to 90 days.